property. Therefore, the warning will be allowed to expire. However, small hail, gusty winds, and heavy rain are still possible with this thunderstorm.
Password warning.
Here is a special weather statement from the National Weather Service in Great Falls. For the following county, Cascade, Montana. The National Weather Service in Great Falls has issued a flash flood warning for north central Cascade County in central Montana until 10:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 7:27 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, trained weather spotters reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is expected or is already occurring. Flash flooding will remain over mainly rural areas of north central Cascade County. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report flooding to your local law enforcement agency when you can do so safely. And now the